about you?
Fine, madam.
Recently we have completed our FA4 for SSC. So our topic was progressions and
Probability.
So in those chapters, I hope you became perfect. But let me discuss what mistakes have been done by children and how to get rid of. Both chapters start with P.
Yes, madam.
So we have to become perfect. Even P stands for perfect.
Perfect.
Your enthusiasm is making me to teach. Yeah. First question. Shruti.
If log 2 to the base 2, log 8 to the base 2, log 32 to the base 2 are in arithmetic progression, then find 8th term.
Okay. If these three terms are in arithmetic progression, we have to find
8th
term.
are in AP. AP means not Andhra Pradesh children, it is
Arithmetic progression.
So we need to find 8th term. 8th term of AP. Before finding 8th term, let me write what is A here. That means first term. It can be told as A1 or A also. A is log 2 to the base 2, that is 1 itself. You all are aware, in logarithms, log A to the base A is 1. You all aware. You all are aware already. Then what about A2? Log A to the base 2. It can be written as log power 3 to the base 2. So 3 log 2 to the base 2, that is 3 itself. And log 32 to the base 2 can be written as what?
Log 2 power 5.
So 5 log 2 to the base 2. You are aware of one logarithmic rule, that is log x to the power n to the base a is equal to m log x to the base. So in short form we can remember that whatever is to the power, it will come this side, left side, and it will be written as into. In that way we can remember. And now the arithmetic progression so form is 135. It is connection question. Do you know, children? Because logarithmic question has appeared in progressions. Means progressions is linked with logarithms. So one chapter is linked with other chapter. It comes under connection. Very nice. So here our aim is to find 8th term. So A8 is
A plus 7.
A plus n minus 1 into D. Actually an is A plus n minus 1 into D. A8 is A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus 70. Children have forgotten this plus here in hurry. Hurry spoils the curry. You all know. Hurry makes us so sad sometimes. We should not be in hurry. We have to write plus here. A plus n minus 1. So that is very important. You know, but you will be so enthusiastic and you will be committing some mistakes. So A plus 70 means A plus, what is A here?
1.
1 plus 7 into, what is D?
2.
Very good. Why? How did we find
Common
D?
difference is 2.
Yeah. Common difference is nothing but
2.
second term minus
First term.
or third term minus
Second term.
We can easily find out. So 1 plus 14, that is 15. 15 is the required answer. Very nice. Nirmita, may I know second question?
Yes, ma'am. Rambai said that if two coins are tossed once, then the probability of getting no take is 3 by 4. Do you agree with her? Give reason.
Okay. Ramba is saying that suppose coin is tossed only once. Suppose a coin is tossed. When a coin is tossed once, what happens, children? Two possible outcomes we will be having, isn't it? We will have Two possible outcomes. What are they? Head. Only two possible outcomes we have. So what Ramba is saying, suppose it is tossed once means we get head and tail. So what is the probability of getting? Once again read the question.
If two coins are tossed once, then the probability of getting no tail.
Two coins are tossed here, not one coin. Two coins are tossed once. So how many possible outcomes? Four. Very nice. One coin is tossed once means we will get only T and H. Here two coins are tossed at a time. So we will be getting four possible outcomes. That is 2 power 2. 2 power 2. When one coin is tossed, 2 power 1. We need to remember. When 3 coins are tossed, 2 power 3. Very good. Like that we need to remember. Here the possible outcomes we have written. But Ramba is saying that the probability of getting no tail. Very good. So no tail means here we have for only H. In the first one we have tail, in the second one we have tail,
In the third one
also in the fourth one also we have tail, but in the third one we don't have tail. That is both are H. That means out of 4, favorable are 1. Favorable outcomes are 1. Total possible outcomes. Very good. Generally we will be representing n of x. So favorable for this no tail. Let E represents no tail. E represents no tail. Means probability of getting no tail is. Swanandu, read the third question now.
If the third
Harini, third question now.
If the third term of a GP is 18 and the fifth term is 162, then find the first term.
Very good. Third term of GP is given here. Third term of GP is how much?
18 madam.
How much?
18 madam.
80. So we already know the formula. Third term is AR square. Why you know? What is the formula for nth term of a GP? AR to the power n minus 1. So as third term is given, so AR square is 18 directly wrote. That is A3 is given. Next what term is given? Very good. So AR to the power 4 is
162.
Now we need to find A. That is first term. So we will be taking AR to the power 4 by Why did I select the greater number here? I mean greater power 1 because it will be easy for us to get A if it is in the numerator. So A will be cancelled and A to the power m by A to the power n is A to the power m minus n. So here we will be getting 2. Then R square is 18 months.
18, 19, 19.
18?
Madam.
Very good. So R is under root of 9. 3 madam.
R
We
is
may
equals
take
to
3
3
or we may
or
take
minus 3.
minus 3 also. Here whatever we take, third term we are getting GP as correct. If I take 3 or minus 3, let me select. But I don't want R here. A is needed. So how to find A? We can take anything. AR square is equal to 18. In place of R I can put minus 3 or 3, whatever it is. Because 3 square is 9 itself. And minus 3 square is also 9. So 9A is 18 and A will be 18 by 9. So A will be 2. Enough. We want first term. So we got it. It is very simple sum, isn't it? Fourth sum. Fourth question who will read? Fourth question Sushma sir.
Find the eighth term of GP whose fifth term is 81 by 2 and common ratio is 3 by 2.
Fifth term of GP is given for us. How much?
81 by 2.
Still what is given?
Common
Common
ratio is 3 by 2.
ratio.
3 by
3 by 2.
Common ratio is R. It is 3 by 2.
Yes, madam.
That implies fifth term is given means A R to the power 4 is given. Here in place of R we can write 3 by 2 and find out A. 3 by 2 whole power 4 is 81 by 2. So A into 3 power 4 is 81, 2 power 4 is 16. Now this 81 by 16 goes that side and becomes reciprocal. You all know that a fraction, when it is to the left hand side, it goes to the right hand side and becomes reciprocal. So 81 gets cancelled. 2 ones.
2 8.
So A is 8. I got now first term and already I know R. What term should be found out?
8th term.
8th term. 8th term is how much? So A R to the power 7 is, in place of A I will be putting 8 and in place of A I will be, R I will be putting 3 by 2 whole power 7. So 8 into 3 to the power 7 is how much? Meanwhile you do and answer. And 2 power 7? 128. 3 power 7 how much more? 187. One second.
Yes, madam.
You can do 3 into 3 into 3 into. Like that 7 times you can do it. Once find out children. Here you can take 27 into 27 into 3, or you can take 9 into 9 into 9 into 3. Like that also you can do. You will be getting 2187 by 128. Yeah. Will it be divisible by 8?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
1 yeah. So 2187 by 60 because they both will not be divisible by same table. As they asked, 8th term we have found. Whatever term is asked, it is very easy to find out as we know the common ratio and first term. Next question we will discuss. Now 5th question. Spurti.
Write the formula for the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progressions and explain each term in it.
Yes sir. That is sum of n terms of an AP. We have two formulas. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. When a and d are given, that is first term and common difference are given, this is the formula. And number of terms also we have to know here. Or one more formula is n by 2 of a plus s. That is first term and last term of an AP is given means we can find out easily. So we have to describe them now. What is n here means number of terms. What is a? First term. What is d?
Common difference.
Very nice. Still are we finding any other thing here? Yes, sir. Is sum of n terms. Sum of n terms of an AP. It is asked in question itself, children. Next, what is A here? Again, first term. A means last term. Remaining are present here itself. You can see. A is first term and L is number of terms. Only L we have to know. Now, 6th sum, Grishma will read the question.
A box contains 5 red balls, 3 blue balls and 2 green balls. Find the probability of getting first a red ball, second not a red and green balls.
Green balls are how many?
2 madam.
Okay, 5.
Red balls.
So it is red. Yeah, one more color.
3 blue balls.
Think that this is a box and these are the balls. Red balls, blue balls, green balls. We have three types of balls. So what we need to find now? What the first one asked? A red ball.
A red ball.
Probability of getting a red ball. So let us list out. Red balls are 5. and green balls are
2 made.
blue balls are
3.
so total balls first of
10
all we
balls.
have to find out. Total balls are 5 plus 2 plus 3 that is
10
10
10
balls.
made.
So we will be taking n of s as 10. Now what we need are so P of r let us take n of r by n of s in short form. So that what is meant by P of r? Probability of getting a red ball. So n of r is number of favorable outcomes for red ball. So how many balls are there?
Five.
Five. Total are 10.
10.
But we need to cancel compulsory.
But
Few children have not cancelled.
Five.
So they will be losing
5
half
to
mark in the examination. Because half is with 20. Now the second one what is asked?
Not a red
green
and
ball.
Not a red and
Not a
green.
green.
Not a red and green means here as only 3 kinds are there. Not red, not green means
Blue.
nothing but blue.
Blue.
Either in that way we can do or total that is 1. Because probability of sure event is what? 1 itself. 1 minus whatever are not red and green means blue no. So not red and green means red and green will be subtracted from 1. In that way also we can do. So either of the ways is accepted in the examination. Here let me do in simple way. That is not a red and green. That is nothing but blue. So n of let it be some e children. N of e is how much?
3.
Or n of b we can take. That is 3. No? How many are b?
3 made.
3 by 3. So probability of getting blue is 3 by total how much?
10 made.
That is n of b by n of s. Second way I am going to do. What is the second way? 1 minus. What we should not have? Red and
Green.
So red are how many?
5 made.
Green are how many? 2 by 10. By 10 is here itself. 1 minus 7 by 10. So it is nothing but when I take LCM, 10 minus 7 I will get 3 by 10. In this way also it can be done. Because total probability will be 1. It will not be more than 1. And in that what we don't want that I am going to take. Only 3 kinds are there. So not red, not green means we can take directly blue also. But when you are doing a sum, compulsorily you have to write what is given, what is asked, and always total outcomes we have to take n of s, and we need to write the formula compulsorily. Probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes. This is compulsory. Now 7th question, Haripriya.
In an arithmetic progression, 6 times the 6th term is equal to 8 times the 8th term. Then what would you say about 14th term?
6 times the 6th term is equal to 8 times the 8th term of an 80. Okay. Then what would we say about 14th term is the question. 6 plus 8 is 14. You are aware, no? Okay. Let us see. 6 times the 6th term. I am writing directly here, children. That is 6 times of 6th term is nothing but a plus 5d. Because a plus n minus 1 into d. Instead of n we have to put 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Again 8 times the 8th term is a plus 7d. We can write directly. Very good. So
6a plus 30.
6a plus 30d. 156. Very nice. Bring all this side. What happens now? 6a minus 8a plus 30 minus 56b. So, what can you write here? Minus 2a. 56 minus 30.
26.
So, minus 26 can I write? Because greater number symbol is minus.
Minus.
30 minus 56 is minus 26. Now we will be taking minus 2 common. So a plus 13d will be getting because minus 2 into a is minus 2a, minus 2 into plus 13d is minus 26d. So minus 2 when it is sent that side, we will be getting 0 by minus 2, that is 0 itself. So a plus 13d is 0. Therefore 14th term is 0. Now always remember that, always one note to hold, right? That is m times the nth term of an AP is equal to n times the nth term then if then, okay, what will happen? M plus nth term will be compulsorily 0. This question should be, this note should be remembered. It may be asked in MCQ also in board examination. Any question may come. In place of m, one number may be given. In place of n, another number will be given. So when we add these two, m plus nth term it becomes. So that will be 0 always. If n times the nth term is equal to n times the nth term of an AP, compulsorily m plus nth term will be 0. You can cross check with any number, children, of itself. You will be getting 0. Now 8th question by S.K. Reshma.
From a shuffled deck of cards, if a card is selected randomly, then find the probability of getting. First, a red color king. Second, a black color face card. Third, a diamond with a number 11 on it. Fourth, queen of clubs.
Okay. Total cards are how many when they are shuffled? Total cards are 52.
52.
We will consider it as n of s. That is common to you all. So from those shuffled deck of cards, now what do we want is important. What is first one? Ma?
A red colored king.
Yeah. A red color king. Actually, you know. What do you know? Out of these 52, there are 4 types. Hearts, diamonds,
Clubs.
clubs,
Spades.
spade. And these 2 are of red color. And club and spade
Black
are
color.
black color. So all the 4 will be 13, 13, 13, 13 each. In those 13 we will have A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, King. We will have 13. This is called ace. And these 2 to 10 are numbered cards. Jack, Queen, King are face cards. Now what is ours here?
A red colored king.
So we will have only 2 opportunities. Hearts and diamonds. In hearts we will have only 1 king. And in diamonds also we will have only one king. So red R represents a red king. That means n of R 2. That is number of favorable outcomes for getting red colored king are only 2. And n of s, total cards are 50. So probability of getting a red colored king is n of R by
N of S.
2 by 52.
So without simplification, few children have written. Half mark may be deducted because it is 4 marks sum. Sometimes it may be given for 6 marks. Most probably it will be given for 4 marks. And only one is asked, it may be asked for 2 marks also. But you should have complete idea about the problem. You must simplify at the last compulsion. Second, what is asked, children?
A black colored face card.
A black colored
Face card.
face card. We already discussed face cards we will have 3. And he asked only black. He did not ask only face cards.
6.
Black we asked. That is in this black we have 3. Here we will have 3. And here also we will have 3. Total 6 faces. That means let B represents black colored face card. So n of B we have 6 and n of S we already have 52. So probability of getting a black colored face card is 6 by 52. So can we simplify? With which table it is better to simplify?
2, madam.
Second table.
2 3s and madam 226.
So better to take 2. 2 3s.
226.
Very good. 3 by 26 can be left. Because both will not be divisible by same number. And next question in that?
A diamond with number 11 on it, madam.
Yeah.
0, madam.
A diamond with 11, number 11 on it. Will any number 11 be there in the card sheet?
No, madam.
That's why it is 0. It is impossible event. So it is 0 by 52. 0 itself I can write. Because let D represent those all matter I can write it. But it is impossible event we can write. Because there is no number 11 here. That's why it is 0. And what is the last one?
Queen of clubs.
Queen of clubs.
Clubs.
For every, see children, for hearts or diamonds or club or spade, only one queen will be there. In club also we have only one queen. So one is there. Let two represents queen of clubs. Why am I writing this all means, as it is long answer question, it is compulsory to write. So P of Q, N of Q by
N of S. 1 by
52. Because total cards are 50. Like this, any question may be appeared in the board examination. Like they may ask only for diamond, face card, or ace they may ask, or numbered cards they may ask, or a question may come only spade. Only spade means I can take 13 because spades will be 30. Only hearts are also 30. If we come to red king means only 2. Black queens means only 2. And only club queen means only 1. Like that, face cards and honored cards, numbered cards, anything may be asked. They may ask only ace, they may ask. How many aces are there? All the 4
aces.
Now 9th question, Madhupriya.
If 2 dice are thrown at the same time, find the probability of get some of the dots on top is a prime number, a perfect square.
Okay, if 2 dice are thrown at once. Sometimes the question will be given like 2 different dice, yellow dice, red dice, they are thrown at the same time, like that they will be asked. Or if 2 dice are thrown. So what are the possible outcomes?
that is
Very good. Possible outcomes are 6 power 2. Why will we take 6 power 2? That is 36 because there are 6 possible outcomes when a dice is rolled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 are possible outcomes when a dice is rolled. So that's why when 2 dice are rolled, we will be taking 6 power 2. In the same case, in the coins also, what will happen? When one coin is tossed, we will be having 2 possible outcomes. Why will we take 2? Because 2 power 1. And when 2 coins are tossed, we will be taking 4. 4, that is 2 square. When 3 coins, 2 power 3, that is, we will be getting 8. Why will we take 2 there? Because the possible outcomes are tail and head. When a coin is tossed. What about dice? They are rolled once only, but 2 dice are. That's why 6 to the power 2, 36. They are. Even we can write n of s also here, as we are habituated. And what are they? We need to list out. There are 36, isn't it?
Yes,
You can draw with a scale easily and usually as you wish. But there are 36, so all the 36 should be included. And if you write these, at least you will be getting 2 marks in the exam. Just I have drawn like that. You can draw so beautifully with the scale in your books. And really getting like 1, 1. Why am I writing like this means? For the first dice we may get 1 and the second dice also we may get 1. Or first dice 1, second dice 2. So like this, up to 6 I may write. because only 6 will be there, no children. Next time again 2, 1, 2, 2. In that way up to 2, 6. Then again 3, 1, 3, 2. So it is very easy to write for every child. Whoever is very poor in mathematics also, they can nicely or beautifully they can list out. And it's easy to remember. You need not confuse, yeah? So easy.
Yes, madam.
I am writing like ordered pace, yeah. It's your wish. You need not write in the box also. You can write in the brackets also. It's your wish. The representation is your wish, but it should be beautifully represented. That is the point. So, what is asked first of all?
A prime number.
A prime number. You should know first of all what is a prime number. A number which has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. That is prime number. So it may be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. And it may be 13, but in the dice, there is no question of getting 13. Because 6 plus 6 is 12 itself. So you will consider as up to only 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Only these will be considered to get a prime number. So those 2 dots we have to add on 2 dice so that I will be getting 2, 3, 5, 7. So what are the possible? First of all, let me represent E. Let E represents to get a prime number as the sum on 2 dots or of 2 dots. So let it be E. Now E represents, what are they? Let me list out first of all. 1, 1 comes under E because it's a prime number. 1 plus 1? 2. Then 1 plus 2 it comes. 1 plus 3 no.
1 plus
1 plus 4 yes.
1 plus 6.
1 plus 5 no. 1 plus 6 yes. 7. So
2 plus 1 plus 1 madam. 2 plus madam. 2 plus 5 madam.
Then
3 plus 2 madam.
3 plus 2.
3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 plus 1 madam.
4 plus 1.
4 plus 3
4
madam.
plus 3. Then 4 plus 5 no. 4 plus 6 no. 5 plus 1 no.
5 plus 2 madam. 5 plus 6 madam.
5 4 no. 5 5 no. 5 6.
6 plus 1 madam.
1.
6 plus 5 madam.
Okay. That's all. No?
Yes madam.
Total 15. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You nicely count like this. Because we should do accurately. That is very important. That is N of E. We are getting 15.
madam.
Now P of E I want. That is probability of getting a prime number when add the 2 dots. That is N of E by
N of S.
That is 15 by
36.
You don't write 52. Few children are confusing here and writing 52 because they are habituated to do the deck of card sum. Deck of card sum they are habituated, so they are doing 52. But you write 36 please. And with which table both can be simplified?
3 5
3 5 very good. 3 1 3 1 3 2. So 5 by 12 is the answer. Okay. Second one is asked as perfect
Square.
square. That is perfect square. First of all, you have to know what is perfect square. 4,
4 9.
3, I can say 1 is a perfect square. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4.
3 into 3 is 9.
4 into 4 is 60. But we
60.
don't have opportunity for 60 here. We are going to take 149. 149 are perfect squares here. So whatever number is multiplied by same number again, we will be getting that number. We will be calling as perfect square. Because when we find out the root of 9, we will be getting 3. Root of 4, 2. Root of 1 is 1 itself. Any number multiplied by itself. So that whatever product we get, that product is called as perfect square. So in these, let me write up. First of all, let me list as some F I am representing. Let F represents perfect square. Let me list out what comes under perfect square when we add. 1, 1? No, we are not getting. 1, 2? No. 1, 3. 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is a perfect square. Next. So, not 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 2 minus. 2, 2, very good. Next.
3, 6.
3, 1.
3, 1.
3, 1. 6.
3, 6, miss.
3, 6, very good. Next.
4, 4, 90. 4, 5.
4, 5. Next.
5, 4,
5,
6.
4, 5, 4.
16.
6, 3. Any others? That's all. So 1, 2, 3, 7, 5, 6, 7. N of f is 7. Number of favorable outcomes for getting a perfect square when we add 2 dots on both the dice. So we are getting here 7. That means we want P of f, that is probability of getting a perfect square is N of f by N of s, that is 7 by 36. Here also don't forget and write 52. 7 by 36 you write. First mistake which children generally do is they are forgetting and writing deck of cards 52. So here also 52. And they are not describing each thing and what are the possible outcomes, what it represents. These all should be mentioned by you clearly for a long answer question. If it is one MCQ question, directly can write. You can just imagine in the brain and write it immediately. And not only these children, many questions will be asked in such a way that we get a doublet. What is meant by doublet? Do you know?
2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, madam.
Even doublet they may ask. Odd doublet they may ask. You know, even
2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6.
The first number on first dice is a prime number and the number on second dice is composite number or odd number, even number. Any numbers they may be asked. So you have to choose. First of all, nicely list. Don't confuse. Nicely write down. Count once, twice. Just confirm. Then go for the third. Don't lose marks in this topic. It is very, very easy topic and important topic in the board exam. Objective is very, very important in mathematics. See, in other subjects like Telugu, they may ask what Sandhi it is, what Samasa it is. The 4 options may be given. You can directly choose. You will not do any rough hand. In English, there will not be separately 20 objective questions. You will have grammar, you will have editing, and you will be having passages. You can then and there answer. And in social, you will have current affairs. Who is the minister over there and what happened that day, which day. Like the direct questions will be there. But in mathematics, compulsory roughly is very, very necessary. Let us see a question. Right? What is the sum of first 100 natural numbers? For this, I should use a formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Suppose n natural numbers are asked n into n plus 1 by 2. Here 100 is asked. So what will I do? 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. We will not be going on adding like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 100. How many will you add? It takes long time. So we will have formula. If formula you are perfect, you will be very good at math. So 100 into 101 by 2 ones 250. 101 into 5 22. 505 it is and 1 0 should be given. That is 5050. So you can choose the answer there and there. One of them will be 5000. Like that second question, can anyone tell? Let me see one more question. Okay.
Which term of AP 50, 40, 30, so on is 0?
50, 40, 30, so on
Is 0.
Which term he asked? Which term? Which term of the AP? Means already they have given that these are in AP. We can also see 40 minus 50 is minus 10, 30 minus 40 is minus 10. They are in AP itself. Now what we have to do? Which term is 0? I have to find out. That means I have to find out n here. Already we have the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into a. And a is here 50 and An can be taken as 0 because which term is 0 here? That term I am going to find. So An is 0 and B can be written as 40 minus 50, that is minus 10. So instead of An I am going to write 0. Instead of A I am going to write 50 and n minus 1 in between either itself and minus 10. Don't write minus 10 here because into minus 10 should be mentioned. Children may be confused and if they write minus 10 they will be forgetting and they will send to the left hand side as plus 10. That mistake will be done by children. So don't do that mistake. First of all 50 you send that side. It will become minus 50 when it comes to the left hand side and n minus 1 into minus 10. So minus 50 n minus 1 into minus 10. Now what I have to do? N minus 1 I want. Minus 10 it is into here. So when it comes to left hand side it becomes divided. Very good. Minus minus gets cancelled. 0 0 gets cancelled. N minus 1 is 5. But I want n. So n is 5 plus 1.
N is equal to 6.
Therefore, sixth term of the AP of the given AP is 0. You can check your answer whether it is right or not. Sixth term you can easily find out, children, as it is 50, 40, 30. Next term is what?
20.
20. Next
10.
term?
10.
Next term?
0.
Sixth term is 0. Like that, a mathematics student can check whether she is right or wrong, or whether he is right or wrong, herself or himself. They need not ask others whether it is right or wrong. That is mathematical students' speciality. Okay, let me. A mathematics student will always be sharp. You know, children? Sharp. They'll be accurate. They'll be quick. Are you all quick?
Yes, madam.
Then let me go with other question.
If minus 2 by 7, x, minus 7 by 2 are in GP, then find the value of x.
Minus 2 by 7,
X
and
minus 7 by 2, madam.
minus 7 by 2. These three terms are given
In GP,
in
madam.
GP. Okay.
Then find the value of x.
Okay. We need to find x here. Okay, children, when they are in GP, what do you know about common ratio? That is R.
X by
X. See, R is nothing but x by minus 2 by 7. Or we can take R as minus 7 by 2 by x. That means common ratio is same everywhere. So what can I take now? X by minus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 7 by 2 by x. We will cross multiply here. So what is when I cross multiplication? Numerator of left hand side should be multiplied by denominator of right hand side, and numerator of right hand side should be multiplied by denominator of left hand side. So x into x is
X
square,
square.
and minus 7 by 2 into minus 2 by 7. 7 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, and x square is minus into minus plus. So it is 1x. What is x then? Under root of 1. That is
1, madam.
plus or minus 1. It may be plus 1, it may be minus 1. For both, it will be satisfied because 1 by minus 2 by 7 is equivalent to minus 7 by 2 by 1. Or minus 1 by minus 2 by 7 is equivalent to minus 7 by 2 by minus 1. Both are equal. 1 is correct, minus 1 is correct. Let me see another question. Next question, Harshia.
Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event?
Okay. Probability of an event always lies between what and what, children? Do you know?
0 and 1.
Very good. It cannot exceed 1. That means it cannot be greater than 1. It will be 1 or less than 1. It will be 0 or greater than 0. It will not be in minus also. So, if it is 0, what can we say about the probability of an event? It is impossible.
Impossible.
The sun rises in the west. Is it possible?
No, madam.
So what is the probability of sun rising in the west?
Impossible.
Impossible event, you may say. 0 by, so 0 by something is 0. Then what is the probability of same way sun rises in the east? It is sure event. Compulsorily it happens. So 1. probability always lies with 0, right? It will not be more than 1. So in the given options, Harshia, what are the options? Which cannot be the probability is asking.
A 2 by 3, B
Okay.
4 by 5, C 0.7, D 5 by 4.
Yeah, here easily we can identify by
D.
it is improper fraction. Improper fraction is always greater than 1. So it cannot be the probability of element. 0.7 can be written as what? 7 by. In the previous question, we got 0.7. That is 7 by 10 we need to write. You all know how to convert decimals into rational number. Or 0.7 lies between 0 and 1, you all know. Or in the question suppose 1.3 is given, it is compulsorily greater than 1. You all know. You can easily just convert, but don't confuse over there that by 1.3 is given, is it correct or not, always thinking, confusion. These all you stop. Just be perfect that how to convert decimal into fraction, fraction into decimal. You be perfect and you just see what is asked in the question and you proceed. Next question please.
If a letter is selected randomly from the letters of the word probability, then the probability of getting a vowel is.
Okay children, we are aware in English already. We have learned A, E, I, O, U as C to do mathematics. We should have knowledge of English, we should have knowledge of social, we should have knowledge of science, some other. Because they may ask colors of rainbow, they may ask vowels, they may ask consonants, they may ask any alphabet, something questions like connection questions. You should answer. Here A, E, I, O, U we already are aware. In the given word, what are vowels? Let us see. O, A, I. Here I is double, you don't see because you may be thinking that I is double, so no need to write. We'll write only once, but not like that. In sets we have to write. Sets will be represented by brace or flower bracket or curly bracket, you know. When we are writing sets, we will write only one time. But here, it's not like that. It is a probability question. And he asks out of total, how many words are there? Children, count 11. Yeah. So n of s is 11. And we want vowel. That is n of v are how many? Already we counted 4 by 11. So 4 by 11 is the answer. As it is an MCQ question. It's an MCQ question. So easily you have to answer 4 by 11. You need not do rough and waste your time. You have to imagine. For MCQs, 1 minute, one sum should be done in competitive examinations. So here, half minute you can take or very little time you can take because clearly it is seen that there are 11 total and in that vowels are 4. Suppose if they ask about consonants, remaining are consonants. 11 are vowels, so remaining 7 are consonants. So easily you can write it when question is changed. But don't waste your valuable time in doing rough so much when it is very easy also. Let us see one more question. Nikita?
At a signal, the chances of getting green, yellow or red are equal. What is the probability of getting red?
We have 3 colors at the signal. Have you crossed the signal at any time?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
When do we get green actually?
Go.
Very good.
Go.
3 colors are there. So in those 3 we asked about what? The probability of getting
Red.
red. If red is asked, green is asked, yellow is asked, we will be writing only 1 by 3 because only 1 is asked out of 3. That means 3 are possible, total possible. Favorable are only 1 for example. But for getting white color if we asked, do we have
Zero.
white over
No,
there?
ma'am, zero.
No,
Red
very
is
good. It is
impossible.
impossible event, so we will be writing 0. Very nice.